Hello, winemates. Welcome to the Tasting Trove YouTube channel. With simple tips and fun insights, we'll help you elevate your palate and dining experience. Join us on a delightful journey. Subscribe for tasty food and wine pairing tips, and enjoy a dash of culinary adventure. The art and science of winemaking. Winemaking is an ancient craft that combines artistry and scientific precision to transform grapes into a sublime beverage. From vineyard cultivation to fermentation and aging, each step in the winemaking process contributes to the final product's flavor, aroma, and character. Today, we are going to explore the intricate world of winemaking, delving into the key stages and techniques involved in producing exceptional wines. Vineyard cultivation. The winemaking journey begins in the vineyard, where meticulous care is taken to nurture grapevines that will yield high-quality fruit. Factors such as soil composition, climate, and grape variety play a crucial role in determining the vineyard's potential. Vineyard managers employ various techniques, including pruning, trellising, and canopy management, to optimize grape health and development. Pruning is a vital practice that involves selectively removing grapevine shoots and leaves to control yield and encourage even ripening. Trellising systems such as vertical shoot positioning or Geneva double curtain provide support for the vines and maximize sun exposure for optimal photosynthesis. Canopy management techniques, such as leaf removal, ensure adequate air circulation and sunlight penetration to prevent disease and promote grape maturation. Harvesting and grape sorting. The harvest is a critical moment in winemaking as it determines the grape's sugar content, acidity, and flavor profile. Harvest timing is crucial as winemakers aim to achieve the perfect balance between sugar ripeness, physiological ripeness, and desired wine style. Grapes are typically hand-picked or mechanically harvested, depending on the vineyard's size and terrain. Once harvested, the grapes undergo sorting to remove any unwanted materials such as leaves, stems, or underripe or damaged berries. Manual sorting tables or mechanical sorting machines are used to ensure that only the finest grapes make it into the winery for further processing. Crushing and pressing. After sorting, the grapes are ready for extraction of their juice. Traditionally, grapes were crushed by foot in large vats, but modern wineries predominantly employ mechanical crushers or destemmers. Destemming removes the grape stems, promoting a smoother taste in the final wine. The crushed grapes, known as must, contain juice, pulp, skins, and seeds. Pressing is the next step, where the must is separated into free-run juice and press fractions. Gentle pressing is favored for white wines to extract the juice without excessive tannin or color extraction from the skins. Red wines, on the other hand, undergo maceration, a process where the juice remains in contact with the grape skins and seeds during fermentation to extract color, tannins, and flavor compounds. Fermentation and aging. Fermentation is a transformative process where yeast consumes the grape's natural sugars, converting them into alcohol and carbon dioxide. During fermentation, winemakers carefully monitor and control factors such as temperature, yeast selection, and maceration time to achieve the desired flavor and aroma profiles. For white wines, fermentation typically occurs in temperature-controlled stainless steel tanks to preserve the grape's freshness and fruit flavors. Some white wines may undergo malolactic fermentation, a secondary fermentation that converts harsh malic acid into softer lactic acid, imparting a creamy texture. Red wines often undergo fermentation in open or closed fermentation vessels, with the grape skins and seeds remaining in contact with the juice to extract color, tannins, and flavor compounds. This process can last anywhere from a few days to several weeks. After fermentation, the wine is separated from the solids through pressing. Following fermentation, winemakers may choose to age the wine, allowing it to develop complexity and character over time. Aging can take place in a variety of vessels, including oak barrels, stainless steel tanks, or concrete tanks. Oak barrels impart flavors and aromas such as vanilla, spice, and toasted notes, while stainless steel tanks preserve the wine's fruit-forward qualities. The duration of aging varies depending on the wine style and winemaker's preferences. Winemaking is a captivating blend of tradition, science, and craftsmanship. Each step in the process, from vineyard cultivation to fermentation and aging, contributes to the final wine's unique characteristics. The artistry of winemaking lies in the winemaker's ability to harness nature's gifts and guide the transformation of grapes into a sensory masterpiece. Whether enjoying a crisp white or a robust red, appreciating the labor and skill involved in winemaking enhances the experience and deepens our connection to this ancient and fascinating tradition. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more wine knowledge and food pairing tips. Happy sipping and sampling. See you next time.